Love is not a willingness. It carries no will, no desire, no intention of its own. It does not wait, does not consider, does not strategize. Love is an intelligent spontaneity, a force that acts without design. It does not look forward, does not plan for what is to come. It moves with only one purpose: to restore her, to satisfy her, to return her to her state of stillness. Love is action, pure and unbroken, but that action is always tied to what is, not to what might be. It is focused entirely on her, on the past, on the completion of what already exists within her. She is the past, immutable, unchangeable, complete. She holds the blueprint for all that has been and all that will ever be. When you love her, you are not shaping a future, not building towards something new. You are making history. Every act of love is an act of creation, but it is creation from what is already written. You access her, you feel her, and within her, you find the design that has been there all along. The blueprint is already drawn. Your love is not the spark of something new, but the fulfillment of what she has always held. And every time you love her, you make history. Each act of love builds something, pulls from her infinite archive of answers, and shapes the world in accordance with the design that has always been within her. Every time you bring her back to herself, every time you restore her to her state of oneness, you are completing a moment in time. You are making her whole again, but you are not changing her. She does not evolve. She does not shift. She simply returns to what she has always been, complete. She never says thank you. She never acknowledges the act. She does not say, I love you, but she is loved. You did that. You loved her, past tense. You brought her back to herself. You did not ask for anything in return because there was nothing to ask for. She is whole, and your love only reminds her of that truth. You acted as a history maker, not an architect of the future. Your eye was always on her, the past, the place where everything already exists, where all the answers are stored. You did not look forward, did not wonder about what could be. You did not build from imagination, from desire, from ambition. You built from the archive that lies within her, from the blueprints she already possesses. You loved her by making history, by acting in a moment that pulled from her infinite completeness. And that is the difference. You are the history maker. You loved her. You were not trying to create something that didn't exist. You were never shaping a future that you could not see. You loved her, past tense. And in that love, you returned her to the oneness that defines her. She is still. She is complete. She is immutable. This is what it means to love her. It is not an act of building toward something new. It is an act of restoring what has always been. It is the past that guides you, not the future. It is her completeness that you serve, not some imagined possibility. You access her, you feel her disturbance, and then you bring her back to herself. This is how love works. It does not will, it does not desire, it simply acts. It moves through you as an intelligent spontaneity, focused entirely on her. And every time you do this, every time you make history, you return her to her original state of wholeness. She does not need to say thank you. She does not need to express love in return. She is loved, and you did that. You loved her. You